Hey, what's up, you guys? Time is back with another Eat Fast or Straight Trash KFC edition. But before we get into that, I just want to say thank you guys. Again, it is an honor to be playing on one of those electronic devices, whether it's that cell phone, that tablet, that laptop, that Macintosh, that brand new big screen TV, whether you watch me at home, at work, on a plane, a train, or an automobile. Maybe you watch me right now in that fast food line because those lines are getting ridiculous. Those workers on the inside are slow. Everything is just anyways, if you guys are new to this channel, you like what you see, hit the subscribe button, comment, and likes are very important. Now again, I did say this is the KFC edition, and KFC, they brought back their iconic double down sandwich, and that's what we're going to be discussing today. I do have it sitting in that bag. Now before I even get into that sandwich, I just want to say, if you think about it, I don't know why the double down sandwich is not on the menu at all times. If you think about it, it's pretty much two of the chicken breasts that they use for their sandwiches, but then they just use it as the bread. So besides maybe the cheese and the bacon, those aren't really like extra items. I mean, like I said, that the cheese and the bacon, okay, those are extra items that you need to get. But I mean, it's just chicken. It is the chicken that goes inside of the sandwiches. So why is this not just a thing that's on the menu at all times? I don't know, but it is back. It's basically two chicken patties or two pieces of chicken breast sandwiched in between, or on the outside. On the inside is some cheese and bacon and some sauce. Now they do have a spicy version, which is what I got. And before I get into that, let me just say, this thing is quite heavy. Now, this is the actual bag that it came in, the bag that is on the inside of here with the chicken sandwich, but this whole bag is heavy. And no, I did not order the meal. The sandwich itself is like $9, but if you think about it, that's understandable because you're getting two hopefully hearty sized chicken breasts, and again, that bacon and some of that cheese and some of that sauce. Now, I was never able to try this when it first came around, okay? It's something that I've always wanted to try, just never got a hold of it. Now, here's the thing, man. Some of these places, when they make these items, it's like, why are they just limited time items when the items that is making those things, they pretty much have all that on hand already. It's not like they're bringing in something that they don't have. Like, okay, like McDonald's. You can see why the McRib isn't around. They don't have just McRib patties just laying around. They don't have these things like that. But chicken, they got these. Look, they got the new chicken wraps as well. If you guys have seen that video, go check that out. But they got the chicken wraps as well. If you think about it, it's just tenders and the coleslaw. So the only thing different is the tortilla. So I just don't get why some of these places do that. But anyways, let's finally get into this. The bag is quite girthy, man. This reminds me of I hope it doesn't taste like a damn big ass wet shitty diaper, but there you go. Look at the size of that. And let's open it up. Man, here's the thing too. When you go to these fast food places, unless you're like super popular, like the big guys that do all the food reviews, you're not going to get the best experience, okay? They're probably going to give you some made-up shit. The people in there don't give a damn. They're not trying to please nobody. But, oh, man, I will say this thing is quite girthy. Take a look at that. Now, that is awesome. Take a look at that. Again, we do have two chicken breasts, some cheese, some bacon, and there it is, slattered with some of that hot sauce. So, I'm not sure what kind of cheese this is. Looks like some white American cheese. Who knows what. Let's get into this. Now, the thing is, I'm a little scared about this because usually when it comes to the actual, like, the chicken, the patties that they use in the sandwiches, it just doesn't taste the same like the just the regular bone-in chicken that KFC has. I just feel like the flavor isn't there as much in these patties. But let's see if it's here. The chicken actually feels quite juicy, so let's see. Hopefully they can give me those dry meats. Man, this is so damn hard to even bite, because look at how thick that piece of chicken is right there. So how I'm gonna get over both of those? Honestly, you could probably just do away with two of the patties and just just do one and then just have the shit melted over the one piece of chicken. But here we go. 1, 2, 3. Oh. I have to say, this is one of those foods that you just eat once. Okay, you come here for the experience. It is juicy. It is tasty. It is all that. Okay, it is a mouthful. A lot of flavors going on. That little creaminess that you get from the cheese, a little heat from that sauce. You get a little bit of that smokiness from the bacon and the chicken. The chicken is nice and juicy. Kudos to them for doing that for me. Now again, I didn't say I was a damn food reviewer. They just did it, so that's cool. But go for one more bite. Man, that is insane. Man, if they only did this is definitely heart clogging. You're definitely gonna feel it in the chest, in the gut, all that. But this is so comforting. This is one of those comfort foods. You bite into it and you just feel so at ease. You feel like all troubles are behind you. This sandwich, or chicken breast with bacon and cheese and sauce, is so damn good, you guys. Man, you got to make sure you go to the right KFCs that give you the best chicken. Okay, try not to go to the ones that I think almost every KFC in the country is rated probably 3.5 stars or less. Most of them probably in the 2.5 range. But go to the place that's going to give you the best chicken. I think what really helps the sandwich is that creamy richness that you get from that cheese. Really helps, to me, blend this whole sandwich together. This is a very nice piece. And again, honestly, you could probably just do just with one of the breasts. Ask them if they can just give it to you. Put maybe the other piece of chicken on the side. You can use that for dipping. Honestly, that would be cool if just KFC just sold these individual chicken pieces by themselves. Like, I mean, it's a hearty piece of chicken. And without the bones. Again, that cheese definitely helps the sandwich out a lot. Now, they kind of use, it seemed like they used the crispy batter on this KFC sandwich. So not like the original. One thing I wish they had, I wish KFC brought back their grilled chicken. I thought their grilled chicken was very good. For those of you that ever had it, let me know what you think down below. But I thought their chicken was very good grilled. That would have been nice to have this as a grilled option. Maybe they are hearing everybody's cries and concerns and are going to bring it back. But who knows? Anyways, I'm going to get up out of here. This gets the thumbs up for me. Again, you got to make sure you go to the right KFC. You don't want dried chicken or else it's not going to work. Overall, the flavors go well together. It's not overly spicy. That cheese gives this nice creaminess to it, which is very nice. Sauce, very nice. Chicken, nice and juicy. Everything about it. Bam. I'm going to get up out of here. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Peace. Yeah.